Hello, this is Ida, and today I'm not going to talk about the product details. Instead, I want to share the story of a customer we have worked with for more than 10 years. When we first meet them, they were just a few young graduates with passion, ideas, and a strong drive to build something real. Step by step, then turned their concepts into real products and brought them to market. We proved that XY Global has been part of their journey all the way, from the first prototype to EVT, DVT, PVT, and the mass production. We have continued to provide DFM advice and NPI support to help them design ideas into the stable, manufacturable products. What makes the story even more special is that they build 3D printers, and every year they print the Chinese zodiac animal of that year. From the 2016 and the 2026, those prints feel like the record of overshare growth over the years, like the printers like the horse and the monkey. The monkey from the 2016 and the horse is the eternal year. Cooperation is never just about the quotation and the delivery. It's about the long-term support and helping customers build a great product. So if you are working with a new project, feel free to talk with XY Global. Bye.